All right, guys, we have Ricky here with a personal box of 2016 Leaf Best of Basketball. Good luck to you, sir. All right, cut signature on top. Or is there one? That's kind of weird. Looked like there was almost 2 hits in the back there. All right, cut signature 23 of 44 of Lou Carnesca. The Hall of Fame inscription. I like his autograph, actually. Lou Carnesca. And hit 0809 Hot Prospects. Sweet Selections Autos, Kevin Durant. BGS 9, 10 autograph grades, a 2nd-year card. Subgrades on it, centering 9.5, edges and surface 9, corners 8.5. That is 15 of 25. Alrighty. That'll do, buddy. I appreciate it. I will get it right out to you.